In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Smartsheet form effectively and efficiently. Whether you're updating an existing form or setting up a new one, the process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step, ensuring you have all the tips and insights to make the process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to start from your Smartsheet home or workspace. This is your base of operations and where all your Smartsheet activities begin. Once you're there, locate and open the specific sheet that contains the form you want to edit. Navigating to the correct sheet is crucial because each one can house different forms and alterations need to be made to the right one. Once your sheet is open, direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Forms. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Forms. This will bring up a list of all the forms associated with that particular sheet. Now select the form you're planning to edit. This section allows you to control all aspects of your form, so choose carefully. After you've selected your form, it's time to dive into the content itself. Click on a field to make changes. Here, you have the flexibility to change labels, add descriptions for clarity, and decide whether the field should be required or optional. Additionally, you can adjust the size of the field and set up default values if necessary. These adjustments ensure that the form captures the right information in the way you intend. Need to reorder your fields? Simply drag them up or down to rearrange their order as it suits your flow. Removing unnecessary fields is as simple as clicking the trash icon. It's an easy way to keep your form neat and clutter-free. To add a new field, click on plus new field. This is particularly useful if there's new information that your form needs to collect. Once you've made changes to the fields themselves, turn your focus to the aesthetics and functionality of the form. Click on Settings at the top to alter the form's theme, including color and logo. Adding a confirmation message for after submissions can provide feedback to respondents, while enabling email alerts can keep you or your team informed after each submission. You even have the option to require Smartsheet login for added security. With the form mostly set up, click Open Form to preview it. This is your chance to catch any missed details and see how the end users will interact with it. When you're satisfied with your changes, go ahead and share the form. Clicking Share Form allows you to copy the URL directly or generate an embed code if you plan to integrate it elsewhere. Finally, remember to click Save to ensure all your hard work is not lost. Saving commits your changes and makes your edited form ready for use. By following these steps, you've efficiently edited your Smartsheet form to suit your needs. Thanks for watching and happy form editing.